Good morning, children. As we have completed plane shapes, now we will go into solid shapes. Okay, open page number 107. Solid shapes. So, shapes can be either plane or solid. So, we have already learnt about the plane shapes, a triangle, square, circle, oval, and rectangle. So now we will learn about the solid shapes. Okay, a plane shape has only sides. So the plane shape has only sides, but whereas a solid shape has a face, edge, and vertex. Okay, so now we have different types of solid shapes: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, and sphere. Okay, so now about the face, edge, and vertices. Okay, see, this is a cuboid. So now here we call this as the edge. So this is called as the edge, and this is called as the face, and this is called as the vertex. Okay, so what is a face? So a plane surface of the solid object is called face. So see, this is the plane surface. So this one, see, this is the face, this is also the face, and this is also the face. Okay, and so the line where two faces meet is an edge. So when two faces meet, see, this face and this face is meeting at one line, and this is called as the edge. Okay, same way this. So like that, when two faces meet, then it is called as an edge. Okay, and next one, the point where the edge meet is called a vertex. So the point, see, the point where two edges meet, so when the edges meet is called vertex. See, suppose for example, so take this. Okay, so now this is called the face. Okay, this, this, okay, so this is called the face. And when where two faces meet, so where two faces meet, then this is called the edge. Okay, so when two faces meet, so these two faces are meeting at the edge. So when the edges meet at one place, then this is called the vertex. So all these are called as vertex. Okay, so what is vertex? When the edges meet at one point. So these two edges are meeting at one point, and this is called the edge. So same way. Okay, all these are the edges meeting at one point, so they are called as vertex. When two faces meet at one place, they are called as edge. Okay, and the plane surface is called as the face. Okay, so now here it is a cuboid. So cuboid has 6 flat faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Okay, so cuboid has 6 edges. So see, now we will see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it has 12 edges. And see, this is one face. Okay, this is one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the back side one 6. Okay, this backside one is 6. So it has 6 faces. Okay, and next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 vertices. Okay, so it has 8 vertices. So see, a cuboid has 6 flat faces, 6 faces, and 12 edges, 12 edges, 8 vertices, 8 vertices. Okay, so now turn the page. So let us understand these solid shapes in detail. Okay, so this is a cone. Okay, solid shape. So number of faces, edges and vertices. So cone has one flat face. So this is 1, and one curved face, one curved face. Then it has one edge and one vertex. Okay, see, one vertex. And this is the edge. Okay, now cylinder. So cylinder has 2 flat faces, 1, 2, one curved face. Okay, next 2 edges. So 1, 2, and 0 vertices. As it is this cylinder, it has 0 vertices. Now cuboid. So examples are book and box. Okay, so it has 6 flat faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices, as we have already seen. Now cube. Dice or ice. So it has 6 flat faces. It is same as the cuboid, but the shape is small, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, and this is the sphere. So it has one curved face, no edge and no vertex. Okay, so now we have learned this. Okay, so the cone is an example of birthday cap and ice cream. Pen and candle for cylinder. Box and book for cuboid. Dice and ice for cube. Ball and laddu for sphere. So now we have to match. So this is juice can. So it is cylindrical in shape. And this is suitcase. So it is cuboid shape. And this is the birthday cap. So it is cone shape. And ice is cube shape. And globe is sphere shape. Okay. So now fill in the blanks. I am a plane shape. I have 3 corners and 3 sides. So see, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, 3 corners. So what it is? Triangle. 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 Next, I am a plane shape. I have 4 sides and 4 corners. All my sides are equal. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides and 4 corners. So all are equal in size. So it is SQUARE, square. Next, I am a solid shape. The shoe box looks like me. So we will draw the shape of the shoe box. So it will be in this. So what it is? Cuboid. 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 I neither have sides nor corners. I look like an egg. Who I am? So it is SPHERE, sphere. Okay. I am a ball. If you cut me into 2 equal halves, then it will be like a cup. See, cup. You can put things in it. Who am I? So it is also sphere. SPHERE, sphere. Okay. Now draw a triangle. Find the number of sides and corners. So the third one. Okay. Triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 corners. Okay, next. How many sides and corner does a circle have? 0. How many flat and curved faces does a sphere, cone and cylinder have? How many flat and curved faces does a sphere, cylinder and cone have? So here, so sphere, how many? Flat face and curved face. Okay, sphere, cylinder, cylinder and cone. Okay, so now sphere have 1 curved face and 0 flat face, and cylinder have 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. The next cone have 1 flat face and 1 curved face. Okay, children, so this. Okay, so sphere have 0 flat faces and 1 curved face. Cylinder have 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. Cone have 1 flat face and 1 curved face. Okay, so write it here. So sphere have 0 and 1 curved face. Cone have 1 and 1. Then cylinder have 2 and 1. 2 curved flat faces and 1 curved face. So now rolling and sliding. See, the sledge is sliding. So when it is flat surface, then it will slide. When it is a ball, a round surface, then it will roll. Okay, okay, so when it is a flat surface, it will slide. So, and when it is a when it is a curved surface, then it will roll. Okay, so now we will see. Okay, see, now this is the position. Okay, and here it is a box, so it will slide down. So this is sliding down. Okay, and here it is a ball and it is coming down, then it is called rolling down. Okay, so for STRAIGHT, when it is a straight line, then it will slide. Okay, and when it is a curved line, then it will roll down. Okay, so that is the difference between the sliding and rolling. Okay, now depending upon the shapes of objects, some objects roll and some objects slide, and some objects can both roll and slide. Okay, so try pushing a ball on the floor or a table. It will roll, slide, both roll and slide. It will roll because it has curved face. Okay, then try pushing a pencil box on a floor or table. So what will happen? Roll, slide or both? It will slide because it has a straight line, and whereas ball has curved line, so it will roll. Now try pushing a birthday cap on a floor. So it will both roll and slide. Both roll and slide. Why? See here. If this is the plane surface, if we keep the birthday cap like this, then it will slide. Okay, and on the surface, if we keep the birthday cap like this, sorry, if we keep the birthday cap like this, then it will roll. Okay, it will roll. So it will both roll and slide. Okay, so now tracing out flat shapes and solid shapes. So we can make plane shapes from solid shapes. Collect some solid objects like dice, pencil box, etc. Put them on a paper and trace. Okay. So see here. Take a paper and keep a pencil box or anything and trace it. So then what is the traced one? If we keep a box, it is a rectangle. And when we keep a dice and we trace it, then it will come a square. So a cuboid means pencil box can be traced to get a rectangle. So if we trace a pencil box, we will get rectangle. And if we trace a cube, that is dice, and we can get square. Okay. So similarly, you can trace other solid shapes to get plane shape. So we can trace solid shape to get plane shape. Okay. So now push a pencil box on the floor. So it will slide. Okay. And push a bottle on the floor. It will roll because it is cylindrical. Okay. And next, push a glass on the floor. So glass, it will roll. Push a lunch box on the floor. It will slide. Okay. So match the objects with the circle they belong to. Okay. One has been done for you. So the birthday cap will both, okay, both roll and slide. Bulb will roll. Tin, it will roll and slide both. Glass, sorry children, here glass, it will both roll and slide, because if we keep this surface, then it will slide, and if we keep it this way, it will roll. So both. Okay. Next, ball, it will roll. Birthday cap, it will slide, and book, it will slide. Okay. Next, trace out the things in your notebook and also write down the plane shapes. Okay. When we trace out birthday cone, we will get the shape of the triangle. Okay. Triangle. And when we trace out this, we will get rectangle. And we trace out, when we trace out this eraser, we will get rectangle. And this circle. And this one also rectangle. Okay. See. We'll get like that. Circle. Rectangle. Triangle. Okay. So next, look at this car. What is the shape of its wheel? So it is circle in shape. If a car, if the wheel of the car were square in shape, would it move? So if it is a square shape, will it move on road? No, it will not move. If the football which you play is a cube shape, will it be able to play? No. So no. Think of objects whose use is dependent on its shape. So think about those. Okay, children? So think about that. Write it down and send a picture to me. Okay. So now lines. So we have learnt in lines, curved lines and a straight line. So straight line and curved line. So straight line are of horizontal sleeping lines, vertical slanting lines. Okay. So and we can also use to make shapes. So shapes can roll and they can also slide. Okay, plane shapes, shapes are of two types: plane shapes and solid shapes. Plane shapes, square, circle, rectangle, triangle, oval, and solid shapes, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. Okay, so solid, something that has a clear shape and is generally hard and firm, so that is called a solid. The next face, a plane surface of the solid object, is called face. Then edge, the line where two faces meet is called an edge, and the point where two edges meet is called vertex. Okay, so now my learning beyond understanding shadows. Have you seen a shadow? When we go in sunlight, we can see our shadow. So when you walk under sunlight, a black image of your body that forms on the road is known as shadow. So this is known as shadow. Okay, now shadow can be formed anywhere. A shadow is formed when an object blocks the path of the light. So see here, this, suppose consider this person, Fabian, as an object. So she is blocking the sunlight. Okay, she is blocking the sunlight, so that is the reason shadow is formed. See, sunlight. Okay, so Fabian is blocking the path of the light, so Fabian is blocking the path of the sunlight. That is the reason shadow of Fabian is formed. Okay, so match the objects with their shadow. So this is bottle. So where is the shadow of the bottle? It is here. And TV, lamp, and tree. So these are the shadows. Okay, so now next, complete the picture by drawing sleeping and slanting line. So see, next this way. Okay, so again and next. Okay, so complete the shape same way. So which plane shapes did you draw in the above picture? So we drew square, SQUARE, then RECTANGLE, rectangle, and TRIANGLE, triangle. So we drew square, rectangle, and triangle. Okay, now a shape with dash face will slide. So flat shape, it will slide, and a shape with dash will roll. So curved, CURVED, curved. What shape will you get if you place 3 dice on top of another? Now observe the figure. So when we keep on top, so write the number of faces, edges, and vertices the new figure has. Okay, so we will keep one on another. Okay, so now it will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will have 6 faces, and 1, 2, 3, 4. It will form as a cuboid. So 12 edges and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. The new figure has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Now will it roll or slide? It will slide because it has a flat surface. When you trace the base of this solid shape, which plane shape will you get? So you will get square, because at the bottom it has equal size. Okay, it has equal sides, so that is the reason it will be square, because we placed one top of another. we didn't place adjacent to each other. When we place adjacent to each other, then it will come a rectangle. But as we placed on one top of another, 1 2 3, that is the reason we got square. Okay, so now here across, okay, and down means these. So a solid shape having no edge and vertex. So what can it be? Tell children, what can it be? Yes, it is sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Okay, a shape of a book. So it is a C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Next, a plane shape having two slanting lines. So two slanting lines means triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Now a plane shape having four lines. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. A shape of a birthday cap. C-O-N-E, cone. Next, a shape that looks like a plane shape which looks like an egg. O-V-A-L, oval. Okay, children, hope you understood about the shapes. Okay, complete all the exercises and keep a picture to me. Okay children, thank you, have a good day.